A challenge for manufacturers is to get the right materials to the right plant at the right time and only when absolutely necessary. Traditionally, competitive advantage was measured on how automated the plant is, but this has now become the norm with the advent of new technologies and modern applications. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, and Manufacturing Operations Management, MOM systems, are essential, but not sufficient to make manufacturing organizations competitive. They are basically must-have solutions to automate and digitize the relevant so that the business and its factories are run more effectively and efficiently. Prior to reaching the shop floor, products are designed and engineered in the product development and engineering departments. The product creation lifecycle is managed from the advanced product concept to start of production, using Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, applications to design, engineer, simulate, virtually build and assemble them digitally before they even reach the shop floor. Enterprise data flows within and across the PLM ERP MOM Trinity with different levels of integration at different phases of the product lifecycle against multiple data models and structures. The core principles of this integration involves master data management, the data alignment of product and enterprise data across the product lifecycle, and collaboration across the extended enterprise. PLM knows what, technical decisions. ERP knows why, strategic decisions. MOM knows how to, operational decisions. PLM provides the upstream platform for product creation and engineering data management. ERP regroups the core business data backbone where strategy and operations converge. MOM is the shop floor performance and operations management engine behind most mass production control activities. It regroups all plant-wide manufacturing decisions, focusing on rapid actions, detailed planning, forecasting, continuous improvement, planned and actual metric analysis, and ongoing adjustments. PLM, ERP, MOM, Enterprise Digital Integration and Digitalization Enabler. Most of the ERP data fed to MOM contains evolutions or restructured PLM data. Also, PLM systems allow for production, shop floor and logistics simulation, digital and virtual optimization. Hence the need for the MOM ERP feedback loop to extend further upstream to PLM for closed-loop validation and ongoing earning. PLM, ERP, and MOM are joined together to create a foundation for a modern-day interpretation of lean manufacturing and becomes the digitalization enabler.